Hello folks. In this video I would like to show you the node, Visibility Notifier, 2D. This node is very useful, and after you have learned it, you will probably use it more often. This node is designed to prevent the bullet from flying around forever after you have shot it. If your bullets fly endlessly in your game, as you can imagine, this can put a lot of extra computing power to your CPU. I have not yet programmed a Visibility Notifier to demonstrate you that the bullets still exist and continue to fly after they have left the screen. After I have started the game, I click here on Remote. Here you can see what's going on in my running game. If I fire a few bullets now, they will appear here. As you can see, the more bullets I shoot, the more and more bullets appear, which means more and more data for the computer. And the bullets do not disappear, even after they have left the screen. OK. Go to your bullet scene, and add the node, Visibility Notifier 2D. Cover your bullet with the Visibility Notifier. It can be a bit bigger than the bullet, like this. Next, the node needs a signal to know when it has left the screen. Go to Node, here. Double-click on Screen Exited. Select your bullet script, and click on Connect. We want to delete the bullet after it has left the screen, so we enter Q free here. That's it. Now you can see that the bullets are going to be deleted as soon as they leave the screen. That's it for today. Till next time. Bye.